Welcome to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for all things automotive. From the latest news to in-depth reviews, we've got you covered. Join us as we navigate the fast lane of the car world, delivering straightforward updates and insights to keep you informed and entertained. Introducing the 2027 Land Rover Defender Sport. A machine built for adventure, ready to conquer any terrain. The Defender Sport boasts a rugged yet refined design that commands attention. Its sculpted exterior hints at the power and capability that lie beneath the surface. Step inside and experience a world of comfort and refinement. The Defender Sport's interior is crafted with premium materials and packed with technology to keep you connected and entertained on any journey. But don't let its luxurious interior fool you. The Defender Sport is a true Land Rover at heart. With its advanced all-wheel drive system, intelligent terrain response system, and superior ground clearance, it's ready to take on any adventure you can throw at it. Not only is the Defender Sport a master off-road, but it also handles itself exceptionally well on the road. The powerful engine delivers exhilarating performance, while the advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. Land Rover prioritizes your safety. The Defender Sport comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems to keep you and your passengers protected on every journey. The 2027 Land Rover Defender Sport. It's more than just a car, it's a passport to adventure. It's a statement of your individuality and your thirst for exploration. Whether you're seeking adventure, luxury, or a combination of both, the Defender Sport is the perfect companion. It's a car that can adapt to your lifestyle and take you wherever your heart desires. The Land Rover Defender Sport. Crafted with precision and engineered to exceed expectations. Thanks for riding along with us at Car Alerts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more thrilling car content.